Hey guys, welcome back. This will be a continuation of the ISO frame build. This will be part 2. There's a lot of stuff that I did not cover between part 1 and part 2. Namely how I got this end assembly welded together and these corner locks welded together. And honestly, I almost forgot to do it again when I started on the second assembly. So, all it is really is 8x6 angle iron, 1/2 inch thick, and basically a whole bunch of 1/2 inch plate, or in some of this cases 1/2 inch bar, 4 inch wide, 5 inch wide, all depending. Like I said, this one's already assembled, and I don't think all of it's in the frame, but you can see how part of it is assembled here. I'll bring the camera down in a second and show it to you guys in a close-up. But today we're going to be finish welding, or at least finish root passing this one together, and we'll see how far we get with 70-18 cover passes. So most of it'll be in 1G fashion, so nothing too difficult. Honestly, most of this build I can do in 1G. Just a lot of manhandling of this heavy ass steel. But there's going to be sections where it's going to be 3G that I just cannot get around. So, but that's going to be probably in a future video. Actually, it will be in a future video, because the 2 pieces of long steel I got for the C channel, the ones that I showed in previous ISO frame build, I won't be able to lift by myself. And once both of these assemblies are finished, I'll put them up in place, locked into the container, or locked to the container, and then lift those long pieces into place. So that'll be for later, definitely not for right now. So yeah, let me bring the camera down so I can show you a close-up of these corner assemblies, and then we'll get started on finished root passing on this one. This is the corner lock. It's a standard ISO corner lock. You know, nothing all too spectacular about it. Unfortunately, they cost me about $200 a piece. Half inch by 8 inch by 6 inch angle iron, 1/2 inch plate all the way around. This one, if I remember, it was 4x5, 4x4, I think, on the end. Yeah, I think that's right. And then and then 4x5.5 on this one. This is the one that we need to finish, or I need to finish, because y'all ain't here. I got the root pass done. Honestly, I didn't dig it deep enough, it looks like, but that's no big deal, really. It's dug deep, don't get me wrong. It's just I spent a little too much time laying too much metal, I think. But it'll be alright. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish this one up. We're gonna start by grinding the bevels on these two pieces. Then we'll grind the angles on eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I guess we'll grind the angles on this piece right here. On the piece that goes here, I'll tack it into place opposite of what I want.
and then I'll go ahead and grind it so that it actually stays still. And I'll cut the tacks off, flip it around, tack into a different position, and grind the last two places. And then this one, well, we'll probably do the same way. I'll probably go ahead and tack it into place after I cut this one off. Actually, no, I won't have to, I don't think. Yeah, I shouldn't have to. So I could tack this one into place after all the grinding's complete. Tack this piece in, grind all of its faces appropriate, cut the tacks off, flip it over, tack it, or actually I'll flip it over, but I won't tack it to this piece. I'll assemble this piece separate of this piece, and I'll show you why. This piece right here is the piece that I was just referring to. The casting comes stock, or OEM, however you want to say it, with a bevel, 45 bevel already in it, and there's no way we can reach that from already on the assembly. So we'll have to weld this entire assembly separate first, and then weld it all, or then weld this plate to all the rest of it. And that's how you fix it. I made the mistake of grinding the wrong area. That spot there was supposed to have been ground on the outside, or what is now the outside. Oh well. Now we'll go ahead and do the root passes on the other faces. Everything is ready for the final assembly now. So I'll go ahead and tack it in a couple places. Then I'll turn you around so you can see how I weld this outside, or this corner right there. The spot right here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to check out what's actually going on current, go check out my Facebook. If you really like what I'm doing and you want to help support the channel, go check out my Patreon. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to check out what's actually going on current, go check out my Facebook. If you really like what I'm doing and you want to help support the channel, go check out my Patreon.